Community solar is a new way for people to benefit from solar energy, and we at Neighborhood Sun are excited to tell you about it. So what is community solar? Community solar provides people with affordable, locally produced, clean energy without installing any panels on their roof or charging any upfront fees. Anybody who pays an electric bill may be able to subscribe to a solar project in their area, helping to build stronger communities and fight climate change. So how does it work? We work with solar developers and financiers to find projects that will produce local jobs, affordable power, and enhance the local environment. You subscribe to one of our community solar projects in your neighborhood, or at least not too far away, much like you would subscribe to a magazine or video streaming platform. The main requirement is that you live in the same utility territory as the solar project. For example, in Maryland, our customers who get their electricity from Pepco would have to subscribe to a solar project located in Pepco's service territory. We then assign you a block of solar panels based on your electricity usage. If you have a studio apartment or small home, your block will naturally be smaller than your neighbor's in her 3-story house. Your block is meant to cover a majority of your electricity needs. The power that is produced by the solar project flows directly into the electricity grid. We don't install anything on your home, and when the sun doesn't shine, you'll still get the same power you always did. Your utility company is still responsible for maintaining your grid connection and ensuring you get electricity 24/7. Finally, you pay a fixed amount for each unit of energy called a kilowatt hour, or kWh, produced by the solar block to which you subscribe. Say you typically use 1,000 kilowatt hours of Pepco's electricity per month. As a community solar subscriber, you pay Neighborhood Sun for that 1,000 kilowatt hours of electricity, which is now generated by solar energy, at a rate that is equal to or lower than your current utilities rate. You then see 1,000 kilowatt hours of solar credits automatically reflected on Pepco's electricity bill. It's as if you were paying Pepco with an electricity gift card, so it's like virtually spinning your meter backwards. And if you don't use all the credits your solar panels produce for that month, then they will roll over to next month, just like rollover minutes on a cell phone plan. And that's how community solar works. Now, who is Neighborhood Sun? Neighborhood Sun is your friendly, clean energy social enterprise with a mission to empower neighborhoods to choose community solar. As a certified B Corp, we meet rigorous standards of social and environmental performance, accountability, and transparency. We don't just talk about sustainability. Our commitment to the planet, employees, community, and transparency is baked into our corporate fabric. Also, we love our community. We're the only community solar company that puts its members first above all other solar partners. When you sign up for community solar, you become one of our members and we become your local champion, protecting your rights as a customer. And as an added bonus, when you choose Neighborhood Sun, you grow our Solar Neighbor Benefit Fund. This fund helps our low and moderate income neighbors also participate in solar projects. We can't solve climate change if we don't have strong, resilient communities that includes everyone, not just a select few. And finally, we're local. Neighborhood Sun is the only socially conscious, consumer-friendly, Maryland-based company focused exclusively on community solar. We want to keep your dollars local, which will help create a healthy economy and provide clean energy jobs for your community. So are you ready to get 100% clean, local, renewable solar energy? Visit our website, drop us a line, or check out our social media pages to learn more. Together, we'll build a solar community.